Hello everyone, welcome to maths class. You all know that we are going through chapter number 7, that is fractions, and we have already discussed about some topic from this chapter, but today we are going to start a new topic from this chapter. Today we will know about the sum operations of fractions. So what are the operations of fractions? Operations of fractions are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So today we will learn how can you operate the fractions. First we will learn about addition and subtractions of fractions. You will learn about two type of fraction, that is like fractions and unlike fractions. Can you tell me what are called the like fractions? In like fractions, the denominators are same, and in unlike fractions, the denominator are different. So first we will learn about the addition and subtractions of like fractions. So that means when the denominators are same in the fractions, then how can you add that type of fractions? So first of all, what are the steps to do this type of addition and fraction? First we will add or subtract the numerators, and then you have to retain the common denominator. In like fraction, the denominators are same, so you have to retain the common denominator, and you have to write the actual fraction and write the answer as sum or difference of the numerator by common denominator. Okay, let's see some example. Find the difference between 7 by 4 and 3 by 4. 7 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So, first of all, you have to find the difference of the numerators, that is 7 minus 3, and you have to retain the common denominator. The denominators are same, so that means these are the like fractions. So 7 minus 3 divided by the denominators are same, that means you have to put here 4. So you have to write the fraction as difference of the fraction divided by the common denominator. Okay, so 7 minus 3, that is 4. 4 upon 4. So, which answer you can get after the adding or after the subtracting, then you have to convert that fraction in the simplest form or in the lowest form. 4 ones are 4. That is, the answer is 1. Okay, next. Find the sum of 7 upon 18 and 4 upon 18. Seven upon 18 by 4 upon 18. 7 upon 18 plus 4 upon 18. So first of all, you have to add the numerator 7 plus 4 by, you have to take the common denominator. Common denominator is 18. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 upon 18. So this is actually in the lowest form. So don't need to convert this in lowest form or simplest form. Okay. Next. This is very easy. So I hope all of you can understand this. একটা like fraction এর sum or difference আমরা কিভাবে find out করব? Like fractions means denominators are same. তাহলে আমরা সেই numerator এ যেগুলো থাকবে সেগুলোর আমরা sum বা difference find out করব, আর common denominatorটাকে আমরা actual answer এর denominator এ লিখব, যেটা পাবো that will be the answer. এবার যে ভ্যালুটা পাচ্ছি সেটাকে আমরা যদি lowest form or simplest form এ convert করতে পারি, then we will convert that fraction into lowest form or simplest form. Okay, next sum or difference of unlike fractions. Sum or difference of unlike fractions. First of all, you have to find the LCM of denominators. Sum or difference of unlike fractions. Now we will learn when the fractions are unlike, then how can you add or subtract that. First of all, you have to find the LCM of the denominators. First of all, you have to find the LCM of the denominators. Then, what you need to do? Then, divide the LCM by each denominator. Divide the LCM by each denominator and then multiply the each numerator by the quotient and then add or subtract the product. That means you have to, first of all, you have to find the LCM. Then you have to divide the LCM by denominator. LCM by denominator, by each denominator, and then you have to multiply that value with the numerator. Okay, এইভাবে আমরা প্রত্যেকটা ফ্র্যাকশন করব. Then you have to find you have to add or subtract this value. You have to divide the LCM by denominator and then you have to multiply that value with numerator and then you have to add or subtract all the values. Okay, so let's see how, some example, then you can understand how can you do that. Okay, I hope this process is very much important. Okay, so when you can you will add or subtract 3 or 4 fractions. So this process is very much important. Okay, first of all, you have to find the LCM of the denominator 8, 4 and 6. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So the LCM is 4 into 2 into 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, so just like this way you have to do this. Okay, so first we will write this LCM. Now what you need to do? You need to divide the LCM by the denominator. You have to divide the LCM by the denominator. That is the denominator in the first fraction. The denominator is 8. Okay, now you have to multiply this by numerator. Numerator is 7. Next, you have to divide first fraction এর আমাদের টাস্ক কমপ্লিট. এবার আমরা সেকেন্ড ফ্র্যাকশনটা নেব. You have to divide the LCM by denominator and then you have to multiply this by the numerator. Next, 24 divided by 6. Same task আমরা প্রত্যেকটা ফ্র্যাকশনে করব. Then we will add or we will subtract the value. Okay, so 24 divided by 8 gives how much? 3. 3 7s are 21. Next, 24 divided by 4 gives 6. 6 5s are 30. 24 divided by 6, this will give 4. 4 5s are 20. Divided by 24. 21. So 0 plus 1 1. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. 71 divided by 24. Okay, this is improper fraction. So when any answer will be in improper fraction, we will convert that into mixed fraction. 24 2s are 48. 24 3s are 72. So 24 2s are 48. So 2 whole 23 upon 24. This will be the answer. Okay, so I hope all of you can understand this. First we will find the LCM of the denominator. Then for each fraction you have to do the same task. That is, first of all you have to divide the LCM by the denominator and then you have to multiply that with the numerator. এইভাবে আমরা প্রত্যেকটা ফ্র্যাকশনের জন্য সেম টাস্ক করব. Then we will do add or subtract. Then we can find the value in this way. Okay, here is another example. Add 2 whole 1 upon 5. 2 whole 1 upon 5 with 3 whole 2 upon 6. You can see that this is the mixed fraction. So first we will convert this into improper fraction. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 5. 3 6 are 18. This is how you can convert the improper fraction, mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20. 20 upon 6. Okay. Now you have to find the LCM of the, these are the allied fraction. So first we will find the LCM of the denominator, 5 and 6. So the LCM is 5 multiplied by 6, that is equal to 30. That is equal to 30. Now you have to divide the LCM by denominator. 30 divided by 5 multiplied by the numerator plus 30 divided by 6 multiplied by the numerator. 35 divided by 5 gives 6. 6 11 is a 66. 30 divided by 6 gives 5. 5 20 is a 100. 30. So that is equal to 166 divided by 166 divided by 30. So if you can simplify the fraction, first we will simplify the fraction. 166 divided by 30. How can you simplify? There is common factor is 2. Common factor is 2. So 2 8 is a 16, 2 3 is a 6, 2 15 is a, okay. So 83 divided by 15. Now we will convert this into, this is improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator borrow, that means this is an improper fraction. Now we will convert this into mixed fraction. 5 15 is a 75. 8 5 whole 8 upon 15. This will be the answer. 5 whole 8 upon 15. 5 whole 8 upon 15. This will be the answer. Okay. Next topic. Next we will learn about the multiplication and division of fractions. Multiplication and divisions of fractions. Multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. So for doing the multiplication of fraction, we will tell you two method. Okay. So you can two method. Which method will be easier to you? You can apply that method. Okay. First method. How can you multiply a fraction by another fraction? You have to find the product of the numerator. The product of the numerator is divided by the product of the denominator. That means first we need to multiply and then we need to simplify. The product of the numerator is divided by the product of the denominator. Okay, let's see example. Through example, I will understand you the method. 15 divided by 32 multiplied by 12 divided by 25. So, first we will find the product of the numerator and then the product of the numerator is divided by that. So, first we will find the product of the numerator and then we will find the product of the denominator. So, 15 multiplied by 12 gives 180 and 32 multiplied by 25 gives 80. Okay, gives 80. So now we will simplify this. That means we have to convert this into simplest form. So we can cancel this 0. Okay, 18 is divided by 2, 8 is also divided by 2. So, we can cancel the numerator and denominator both by 2. If you cancel 18 by 2, that means if you divide 18 by 2, you can get 9. You need to also divide 80 by 2, that is 40. So, 9 upon 40, this will be the answer. Okay, and now comes to the second method. First, we will simplify and then multiply. Okay. Let's see how can you do that. 15 by 32 multiplied by 12 by 25. These are the numerators 15, 12 and these are the denominator 32, 25. Okay, so you can cancel any numerator with any denominator. আমরা যে কোনো নিউমারেটরের সঙ্গে যে কোনো ডিনোমিনেটর, সেটা ফার্স্ট আর সেকেন্ড যে কোনো ডিনোমিনেটর হতে পারে, সেটাকে ক্যান্সেল করতে পারি। ওকে, 15 this is the numerator and this is the denominator, so we can cancel this. 15 is divided by 5, 25 is also divided by 5, so we can cancel this 15 by 5, that will give 3. We can cancel 25 by 5 and this will give 5, and we can cancel this is divided by 2 and this is also divided by 2. This is a numerator, this is a denominator, so আমরা নিউমারেটর যে কোনো নিউমারেটরের সঙ্গে যে কোনো ডিনোমিনেটরকে আমরা ক্যান্সেল করতে পারি। 2 6 are 12, 2 16 are. Next 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are. আমরা যতক্ষণ ক্যান্সেল করতে পারি, আর কোনো কমন ফ্যাক্টর আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি না। So 3 3 are 9, 8 5 are 40. Okay, so I think this method is preferred over than this method. Okay, this method is very applicable compared than this method, but you can apply this method if this method will be easier to you. Okay, Next topic is division of fraction by another fraction. This is the reciprocal division is the reciprocal of multiplication. If you can understand the multiplication, you can do the division. To divide the first fraction by the second fraction, you have to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So remember this, to divide the first fraction by the second fraction, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So division is actually the reciprocal part of multiplication. So do you know what is reciprocal of any fraction? How can you find the reciprocal of any fraction? So reciprocal of A by B is B by A. That means to find the reciprocal of any fraction, you have to interchange the denominator and numerator. You have to interchange the numerator and denominator. Denominator numerator, numerator denominator. Then you can find the reciprocal. So 3 by 8 divided by 15 by 35. This is the first fraction. This fraction is divided by this fraction. So you have to divide this, you have to multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal by the reciprocal of the second fraction. You have to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal. So reciprocal of this fraction is 35 upon 15. Okay. Now we will multiply this. So you have understood just before how can you find the multiplication. First we will simplify and then we will find the product. 35 is divided by 5 and 15 is also divided by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15. Okay, now we can cancel this 3 and 3, 3 and 3, 3 1s are 3, so 7 1s are 7, 8, 7 upon 8. This will be the answer. Next, divide 5 by 4 by 3. Divide 5 by 4 by 3. Divided by 3. But we can write 3 as 3 upon 1. There is no denominator. That means there is actually 1. 3 upon 1. Now we will divide become multiplication and these become the reciprocal form. 1 upon 3. So 5 ones are, there is no common factor. So 5 ones are 5, 4 3s are 12. 5 upon 12. This will be the answer. Okay. So in this video you have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I hope all of you can understand all of this operation. But if you can't understand any operation of the fraction, then you will ask me.